There's someone there, stupid. You look before you go. Black and white television. Stop, maybe? Red lights apply to you too, lady. Right lane, right turn, lady. What are you... Go! Idiot. There's no left turn out of there, you dummy. Yellow. Red. And the Audi ran it. We'll get lost together. Comes pouring through. You feel like you're done. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Oh, we got exit regret coming up. Yeah, there it is. What the hell are you doing? You're not supposed to drive on the sidewalk. Okay. Red, green, good, good. Thank you. All your business. Finger blinkers. Whoa, yeah, nice move. Oh, you idiot. You idiot. Exit dive and exit regret simultaneously. Nice. I think of blinkers. Stop sign. Stop sign. Yep. Uh-huh. Oh, well. That's an exit dive. Jesus! Stupid son. Don't masshole left me. Jesus. Do I need this bullshit? You're supposed to have the phone right up in your friggin' face. Hello, Carol. Corolla dope Toyotard. Staying south road, old man. Thank you. Kindly get off my ass, dude. Thank you. I smell pass fail or asshole pass. Asshole pass. Volvo exit diving? Yeah. No? What are you doing? Okay. Acura hole exit dive. Maybe literally. Yeah. So he just got him off. I think he just got off. a great place to have your phone mounted? Yellow, red, somewhere around the red light. Yo. You had a green arrow a second ago, you dingleberry. I can't wait. Stop! Red light! Yo! Sits through a green, runs a red. Oh, Christ, here we go. Are you gonna change lanes, or are you just gonna keep blinking? Okay, thank you. Thanks, lady. Hello, hey, hello. What are you doing? No left turn out of that parking lot, dude. Even if you make a 3-point turn. Click, 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 click. Close, asshole. Hello! Hey, 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 hey! Toyotard. Are you exit diving? You're exit diving. You're both exit diving. Nice.